Hello everybody. Now that it's daylight, I can finally show you the fireplace. At least I hope it's bright enough in here. So it's an electric fireplace, and this top part is a heater, and then there's supposed to be flame, and it clicks but the lights don't turn on, like fake flame. So we don't know what's wrong. I don't know.
Could be the bulb, maybe blown.
Well, we don't even know if it has a bulb because there's no manual, so we don't know what it's it consists of, how it's made.
Well, I'm guessing that's got to work out the bulb because it's just to take, put them fires.
Yeah.
I'm just guessing it's a bulb.
Becky says she has the manual, but she doesn't know where it is, so. And I can't find it online. It says it's unavailable online. But it looks pretty nice, and we have the TV on it, which I had to move my pictures up. And everything that's on the bottom shelf of this, I'm going to have to move somewhere else because we can't see them anymore. But that's alright, whatever. But it does look pretty nice in here, and it will look even nicer when the carpet is finally laid. We've got the PS3 right there. It would be cool if we could figure out how to make the flame part work, but I don't know if we can or not. And it came with this little remote, so that's cool too. It says flame or heater or both, but like I said, the flame won't work.
Use the heater button right now to turn on.
Yeah, I know the heater works, but the flame does not. And I'll insert a picture right here of what the flame is supposed to look like. Alright, so we watched a YouTube video and it says there are bulbs in the back of fake fireplaces. So we're going to check and see if this one is the same. Here's the stuff.
It has to be built a little different. Not a lot, but a little.
There's also supposed to be something in there that rotates, and it was very loud on the YouTube video, and we can't hear anything rotating on this one.
Yeah, but this one could be, if it does rotate, it could be quiet.
So he's going to check and see, because if that's not the problem, then I don't know what's wrong with it. Because power is going to it, the light comes on and the heater works, but there are no fake flames in it. There, Don figured it out. It wasn't light bulbs. It was a loose connection. So he got it all set now. Now it looks pretty cool. And there's no heat coming off it when it's just flame. You have to turn the actual heater on, which is in the top part, and we won't worry about that till fall. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Looks really good. Thank you for fixing that.
You're welcome.
And we put this table out here. Yes, it's a McDonald's table. The story behind that is, when I used to work at McDonald's, the owner remodeled the whole lobby and got all new tables and chairs. And there were extra tables and chairs, and she told us, all us employees, to take them home with us, or she was going to throw them in the garbage. So I got a table and 2 chairs. The 2 chairs are in here at the kitchen table. So, might as well not let people throw furniture in the garbage. Now it's the second day of this vlog. I decided to just make it a 2-day one. We went to Becky and Troy's last night to pick up that chair, because we didn't have room for both in the car the night before, that and the fireplace. And that was all that happened. And it was after dark, so I couldn't really do any filming of it being loaded or anything, because it was too dark. But today we're going to the Onaway Speedway to a free car show, classic car show. So that should be good. I like old cars. Hopefully other people like old cars too. Today it's actually cloudy and cooler, so that's a good thing, a little bit of relief. So it's not a terribly huge car show, but it'll work. Better than doing nothing. was a small car show, but it was fun to go look at all those cars. And yes, in case you're wondering, that was the same AMC Eagle that we saw at Crowd Salvage the other day. The guy was looking for a door handle, and while we were at the car show, we saw he found one. So he was getting it ready to be shown. And obviously now we're home, so we'll see what else is going to happen today. And Evie's just chilling out today. Why are you licking so much? You're licking the air. Dave and Nikki and their kids are out camping, so we're going to their campsite to spend time with them and go fishing. And Tug's coming with us. And this is what happens when I try to go fishing because I suck at it. Oh, look, it's a sleeping Smokey. And Evie. And Don and his bag of cookies.
Yeah?
Yeah. Today's been a pretty full day. We're just going to make some chicken for dinner and relax. And I did start watching Disenchantment last night. That new Matt Groening series on Netflix. I think we watched 4 episodes, I think, and it's definitely very good, so I do recommend it. If you like The Simpsons and Futurama, you'll definitely like that. But we're gonna go ahead and say goodnight, and we hope you enjoyed the video and that you like, subscribe, comment, share, and you're having a good night. Good night, Don.
No.
And we'll see you tomorrow.